Hi there. In this video lesson, we're going to discuss a tag called span. So let's start. Suppose we have two paragraphs in HTML which are wrapped in p tags. And if we want to change the color of these two paragraphs from black to, for example, orange, we already know how to do that. We just need to write the following in CSS. The p selector, and then in curly brackets, color orange. So with that, the text is going to change to orange. That's pretty simple. You already know how to do that. But what if we only want the word labor, this one, to turn green? How are we going to do that? Well, if we need this particular word green, but not the entire paragraph, for that we're going to use the span tag. Let's wrap this word, labor, in a span tag. And then in CSS, we're going to write span, then a pair of curly brackets, and then color green. And if we wrap not one, but two words in the span tag, then those two words will turn green. Okay, now let's add font weight bold to the CSS style. And as you see, our words are also in bold. Alright, so you just need to remember that if you want to apply CSS style to a separate word or to a group of words, we need to use a span tag. And now let's see how that works in practice. We've got some HTML here. Here's our H1 heading. Then we got two p tags with some dummy text in them, the lorem ipsum thing. And then, this is what it looks like in HTML currently. So we got the heading and two paragraphs. Alright, so now in CSS, let's write p selector and then the curly brackets, color orange. Let's save that and refresh the page. And now as you can see, the text in our p tags is orange. Great. Now let's try to highlight only a specific part, for example this part here, lorem ipsum. Let's highlight it in yellow. To do this, we need to add the span tag for the second p. Right here we have the second p tag, and we open the span tag before lorem ipsum and close it right after. In CSS, we need to write span selector and then color yellow. Save and refresh the page. And now you see that we got lorem ipsum turned yellow, just like that. Next, let's make the phrase anim ID also yellow. For that, we simply wrap anim ID in a span tag. Okay, and now let's check what we have. There, we've got that in yellow as well. Alright, so once again, to highlight a certain word in a certain style, we need to wrap the word in a span tag. And then in CSS, we have to write the CSS styles that we want to use for that span. Basically, that's it for this lesson, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.